Tired of your slow, bloated Windows setup? Want something cleaner, faster, and built for the web without losing access to Windows? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install FydeOS alongside Windows in a full dual boot configuration. FydeOS is a powerful Chromium-based operating system just like Chrome OS but with more freedom and support for Android apps, Linux tools, and even Windows files. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for both casual use and serious productivity. By the end of this video, you'll be able to boot into Windows or FydeOS anytime, experience blazing fast performance, run Android apps and Linux tools right on your PC, and keep your existing Windows installation 100% safe. So if you're ready to give your old laptop or desktop a fresh new life, let's get started with FydeOS. First of all, for dual boot setup, you need to create a new partition on your hard drive, press Windows and R key, then type this and click OK. It will open Disk Management, right-click on your main drive and select Shrink Volume. Create at least 18 GB partition for OS. Next, head over to the FydeOS official website and download the latest ISO file for your PC. You must select the OS version for your PC's hardware. The first option is for older PCs with 3rd to 5th generation processors. If your PC has a newer Intel processor, select the second option, and if your PC has AMD Radeon graphics with either Intel or AMD processor, go for the third option. In my case, I have an 5th generation Intel Core processor, so I'll download the first option. We will need another tool called Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Download latest version of Rufus from its official website. Once the download finishes, extract the contents of the compressed file. Now plug in your USB drive and launch Rufus. First, select your USB drive, choose the ISO file you downloaded and click Start. This will format the USB drive and make it bootable. When Rufus completes the process, your USB drive is ready for installation. Now restart your PC. When your PC restarts, press boot key of your PC. Once you enter in boot menu, select a USB drive and press enter. Your PC will now boot from the USB drive and you will see the installation screen. Choose your language and click OK. Choose Install FydeOS. Click on Multi-Boot Installation and click Next. Choose disk we have created. Then choose EFI partition. Then from here choose Configure for me, then click Install. Once done, click Shutdown, then again turn on your PC. Choose FydeOS, now follow all the steps. Congratulations, we have successfully installed FydeOS on our PC. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.